All content of this course and all of Brenda's belly dancing courses are protected under an all rights reserved copyright. You may not use, alter, or distribute in any form to others. Participation in all sports and physical education activities involves certain inherent risks. Brenda's belly dancing, its officers, agents, and employees are not responsible for the inherent risks associated with participation in physical education dance classes. By participating, you agree that you are aware of and are personally responsible for those risks. Always check with your physician before starting any physical activity program.
Hello, welcome to my introduction to belly dance. This is Brenda, or Ayana, from Brenda's Belly Dancing. You are probably here because you'd like to know a little bit more about American belly dance. We will cover a little bit about what belly dance is and where it came from. We're going to cover who I am, also what belly dance looks like in America, what belly dance can do for you. We're going to look into how to find the right teacher and prepare for a class. We're going to find some resources and create a resource guide. We're going to discuss dance class etiquette, what my dance classes entail, and then we'll do a wrap-up. Why do you need this information, you say? Well, for one thing, I've heard many snarky comments regarding belly dancers or belly dancing. Many do not understand that the dance is a culture-based dance, and no, we are not strippers. And there's a lot of misinformation out there. I want you to make an informed choice when finding an instructor, because it takes twice as long to unlearn bad habits once you learn them. It takes 66 days on average for a new behavior to become ingrained. So rather than backtracking your steps, just start on the right foot.